Sarap. Sorry naman. Ayan siya guys, kasi ano siya yung lasa niya is hindi siya purong lasang kalabasa lang ba kasi meron siyang patatas. This balls guys, this pumpkin balls guys has potatoes, garlic, and onion, and then I put some eggs and cheese and some spices. And then with the same ingredients, guys, instead of preparing only patties, I also prepared balls. So the same ingredients, but we prepared two dishes. You see? So ayan guys. Tapos na tayong magluto. Tignan natin yung rice natin kung okay na siya. So ayan. Tapos na yung ating sauce. Ayan, mabawang na sauce. Wow, Master Chef! Oy, thank you so much, Noman. Good afternoon, there in Pakistan. So guys, yung rice natin, wait. Yung rice natin, ayan, tapos na rin siya. So ganito sila magluto ng paella, guys. Sa Pilipinas, iba yung paella natin, di ba? So yung paella dito is, ganito siya sila magluto, guys. So iniiwan lang nila, nako-consume yung water. So dapat yung number of, 1 glass of rice is 2 water, guys. 2 glasses of water. Ayan. So, ganyan sila magluto, guys. Ayan. So, kahit wala ka ng ulam, so normally, ganito yung pagluluto namin. And then, nagpre-prepare na lang kami ng salad. Ayun. So, ayan. So, guys, we are done. Thank you so much for your support, for your big support to Leilani Seramyud Vlog. Ayan. Matatapos na po tayo. I don't know how many minutes we have now, but anyways, ayan. Ayan, mag-goodbye na tayo guys kasi time to eat. So ayan, maraming salamat guys. Ayan, nakajarang tayo. Sorry naman. It's already 1 hour and 18 minutes. Thank you so much for your big support. Ayan. Oy, naka siya kasi nakajarang siya. Yes, nakajarang. So ayan guys, it's time to say goodbye. Ay, nabubulol ako. It's time to say goodbye, guys. Thank you so much for your big support to my live stream this Thursday. Shout out to our friend, Sis Born Free from Bangladesh, Adrian Ko or Lorico from Germany, Ruby Gems Vlogs from England, from London, and to my tandem, GVT Mix TV, and Sis JRS from the Philippines. Thank you so much for your big support. And to Noman Gori, thank you so much. He's from Pakistan, guys. Thank you so much for your big support. Thank you so much for staying with me. Sino ba yung una kanina? To DSNH, thank you so much. To Sis, Tunang Lods, maraming salamat. Nung Parekoy, maraming salamat din pala. So, ayan, tapos na tayo, guys. Thank you so much for your big support. Ayan, kainan na po. Ayan, ito po yung output natin. And, ayan, so we are vegetarian, guys. We don't prepare meat here. So, bye-bye, guys. Thank you so much for your big support. Have a blessed Thursday, everyone. God bless.